guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan paella. This vegan paella is so simple to make, it's hearty and so delicious. So with that being said, let's get started. First we're going to dice one large yellow onion. Slice one large red bell pepper. Dice half of a jalapeno. Slice up about 4 ounces of baby bella mushrooms. Then we're going to chop 5 filled roast maple breakfast sausages. You can use any flavored vegan sausage, I just like this kind. Next we're going to zest 1 lemon. Mince 5 garlic cloves. And we're going to chop 3 hearts of palm. If you don't like hearts of palm, you can use canned artichoke. If you don't like either, you can omit completely. In a mortar and pestle, add salt, pepper, paprika, and cayenne pepper, along with a small pinch of saffron threads. Saffron is a spice derived from the flower of the crocus plant. For more about this, read on my blog post. Then we're just going to grind all that down and set aside. To a pan, add oil and your vegan sausages. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes until they're nicely browned, just like this. Remove from the pan and set aside. Next, we're going to add our jalapeno and our red bell pepper. We're going to cook that for 3 to 5 minutes or until the red bell pepper is vibrantly red. Remove from the pan and set aside. Add a splash more oil along with your onions and your sliced mushrooms. Cook that for 12 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown. Add in your garlic cloves and cook for 1 minute longer. Then we're going to add in a can of crushed tomatoes. Next we're going to add in our spices, our lemon zest, and mix well. Then we're going to go ahead and add in the juice of half of a lemon and cook this tomato mixture for about 10 to 12 minutes before adding some veggie broth. Mix that in well and then add in some arborio rice. You want to mix in your arborio rice well so that all the grains are coated in the liquid. Next, we're going to add back in our sausages, our peppers, the hearts of palm, and last but not least, we're going to add in a half cup of chickpeas or garbanzo beans. We're going to mix well so that everything can get thoroughly incorporated. Cover and cook for 20 to 25 minutes or until the rice grains are tender. Add over your frozen peas. Cover and let sit to the side for 8 to 10 minutes before fluffing with a fork and garnishing with lemon wedges and chopped herbs. How good does that paella look? I hope you guys enjoyed this video for vegan paella. If you did, please remember to click the like button. And if you're not already, please subscribe for more vegan and vegetarian recipes. Until next time, bye guys!